Summer is not over yet. You still have time to have some awesome pool parties. And guess what? I got the property for you. Welcome to Viewpoint in Rodeo, California. We're right off of Highway 4, right up next to Highway 80. A little over 20 miles to San Rafael area, 20 miles over to San Francisco. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, almost 1,300 square feet. You got a huge yard. Imagine having all your kids and your dogs running around, but not to mention having all your friends over here, having a huge pool party, celebrating your brand new home right before the end of summer. The summer's still here. It's still hot outside. Let's get you into a home. We got open houses this Saturday and Sunday, 1 to 4 o'clock. Do not miss it.